In this video, I'll show you easy ways to fix Netflix if it's not loading or working properly on your Samsung Smart TV. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your Samsung TV. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 seconds until it restarts. Or simply unplug the TV from power for 1 minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, Network Status. If your connection is weak or disconnected, restart your router or reconnect the Wi-Fi. Method 3. Update Netflix app and TV firmware. Go to App Settings, gear icon, Updates, and update Netflix if available. Check for Samsung TV firmware updates via Settings, Support Software Update now. Method 4. Clear Netflix app data. Reset Netflix app. On your Samsung TV remote, press Home, then go to Settings, Apps, Netflix, Clear Cache/Clear Data, if available. Restart the TV and try Netflix again. Method 5. Reinstall Netflix app. Go to Apps, find Netflix, press and hold the OK button, and select Delete or Uninstall. Then, reinstall Netflix from the Samsung App Store. Method 6. Sign out and sign back into Netflix. Open Netflix, go to Settings or Profile, select Sign Out. Then sign back in with your account credentials. Method 7. Factory reset Samsung TV, last resort. Go to Settings, Support Self-Diagnosis Reset. Enter your PIN, default is 0000, and confirm the reset. Thanks for watching. If these methods helped you fix Netflix on your Samsung TV, please like this video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.